Students, today we learn about elimination of a parameter in case of a quadratic. If equation of any curve, equation of family of a curve is quadratic in parameter alpha, then equation of envelope of that family of curve is b square is equal to 4ac. If equation of family of curve is quadratic a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0 in parameter alpha. So equation of envelope is b square is equal to 4ac. So here we can see that if the given equation of family of curve is quadratic, that is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, where alpha is the parameter of this family of curve, so equation of envelope is b square is equal to 4ac. So first we write here equation of envelope, equation of family of curve, that is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. This is the given equation of family of curve in parameter alpha, where alpha is parameter and this is the quadratic equation. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर हमको एक फैमिली ऑफ कर्व की इक्वेशन निकालनी है जो कि अल्फा पैरामीटर में क्वाड्रेटिक है, जो कि a अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस b अल्फा प्लस c इक्वल टू 0 के फॉर्म में हो। अगर कर्व की फैमिली ऑफ कर्व की इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में होती है a अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस b अल्फा प्लस c इक्वल टू 0, जहां पर अल्फा कोई पैरामीटर हो, तो उसके एनवेलप की इक्वेशन होती है b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ac। आज हम इसको प्रूव करेंगे। इफ equation of family of curve is quadratic a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0 in parameter alpha, so equation of envelope is b square is equal to 4ac. So first we write here equation of family of curve a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, where alpha is the parameter and this equation is quadratic. So find here equation of envelope. So first we differentiate partially this, differentiate partially with respect to the parameter alpha. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये गिवन इक्वेशन है फैमिली ऑफ कर्व की, जो कि क्वाड्रेटिक है अल्फा पैरामीटर में a अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस b अल्फा प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. So first we differentiate this partially with respect to the parameter alpha. So when we differentiate a alpha square with respect to alpha, this capital A is constant here, and differentiation alpha square with respect to the alpha parameter is 2 alpha. Similarly, when we differentiate b alpha, so b is constant here, and differentiation of alpha with respect to alpha is 1. And here c is constant with respect to alpha, so differentiation of c is 0 here. So we can write 2a alpha plus 2a alpha plus b is equal to 0. So from here we can see that this alpha is equal to minus b upon 2. Now we eliminate alpha between first and second, we get the equation of envelope. So eliminate parameter alpha between first and second, we get the equation of envelope. So first we put here value of alpha, that is minus b upon 2a in equation 1. We get here a multiplied by minus b upon 2a whole square plus b alpha is minus b upon 2a plus c equal to 0. Now we solve this. Squaring minus square is plus and b square divided by 2 square is 4 and a square, this plus multiplied by minus, this is minus, b multiplied by b square divided by 2a plus c equal to 0. So this a is cancelled by this square. So here we write b square upon 4a minus b square upon 2a plus c equal to 0. Now we multiply whole equation by 4a. Here we multiply whole equation by 4a. So we get b square minus 2a b square. Here we multiply whole equation by, this is 4a. We multiply this equation by, here we taking LCM, that is 4a. So we write here b square minus 2b square plus 4ac equal to 0. So this 4a not equal to 0 because this is a quadratic equation, so a cannot be 0. So here we write b square minus 2b square plus 4ac is equal to 0, and this b square minus 2b square gives minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. So this can be written as b square is equal to 4ac. So here we eliminate parameter alpha between first and second and get the equation of envelope, that is b square equal to 4ac. आप देख सकते हैं this is the equation of family of curves in parameter alpha which is quadratic in parameter alpha, that is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, where a b c are function of x and y. Here a b c are function of x and y. This is the equation of a family of curve in one parameter alpha, where alpha is the parameter, and this is the quadratic equation in parameter alpha, where a b c are functions of x and y. So first we find out equation of envelope of this curve, is this family of curve. So we differentiate this partially with respect to the parameter alpha. हम इस इक्वेशन को partially differentiate करेंगे parameter alpha के respect में. So a is constant with respect to alpha. So differentiation of alpha square with respect to the parameter alpha is 2 alpha. Here b is constant and differentiation of alpha with respect to alpha is 1, and c is constant with respect to alpha. So differentiation of c is 0. Now this can be written as 2a alpha plus b equal to 0. Now find here value of alpha, so alpha can be written as minus b upon 2. Now we eliminating alpha between first and second, we get the required equation of envelope. So put value of alpha, that is minus b upon 2a, from second in equation 1. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर alpha को जब फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकंड से एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो जो इक्वेशन मिलेगी वो इक्वेशन एनवेलप की इक्वेशन होगी. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर eliminate alpha between first and second. So we write here minus b upon 2a in place of alpha in equation 1. So this is a, and in place of alpha we write minus b upon 2a whole square plus b, and in place of alpha we write here minus b upon 2a plus c equal to 0. So minus square is plus here, this is b square, 2 square, this is 4a square, this plus and minus multiplying minus, b multiplied by b square upon 2a plus c. Now this a cancelled by this square, so b square upon 4a minus b square upon 2a plus c equal to 0. So we taking here LCM 4a, so this can be written as b square minus 2b square plus 4ac equal to 0. So 4 cannot be equal to 0 and a also cannot be equal to 0 because this is the quadratic equation in parameter alpha, so a can never be 0. So we write b square minus 2b square plus 4ac equal to 0, and minus 2b square plus b square, that means this is minus b square plus 4ac equal to 0. Now we transform this b square on the right hand side, so we can write here b square equal to 4ac, which is the equation of envelope of given family of curves. So when equation of family of curve is a quadratic in parameter alpha, so always we can write इक्वेशन ऑफ एनवलप इज बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4ac. कभी भी जब किसी फैमिली ऑफ कर्व की इक्वेशन पैरामीटर अल्फा में क्वाड्रेटिक हो तो उसके एनवलप की इक्वेशन डायरेक्ट हम बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ac लिख सकते हैं. Thank you.